Hey, welcome to Grandpa Sees the Blinking. Please don't take anything Grandpa says as financial advice. Grandpa is not a financial planner. And please like, share, and subscribe. So we got Tesla. Today was wild. Fun times. Fun times in Tesla. Okay, so what are we going to go through? We're going to go through the opening price. Grandpa's going to tell you where it's going to open potentially tomorrow. The fair opening price is what Grandpa calculates. And we hit fair today. We hit it right on the number. Oh boy, Grandpa's getting good at. Jeff picked up some money on that trade. I wish he wouldn't trade that open though. It makes Grandpa nervous. I'm not always right because they don't always do what's fair. Grandpa calculates what would be fair, and it's not that they always do it. So we're going to talk about that. We're going to talk a little bit about divergence, the dominant trend. The dominant trend. We're going to talk about that. The upside, the downside, ranges, and then Grandpa's going to give his opinion based on what he's seen on where we are going to go in the next week or so here, up through the 10th and even the 11th. So, and I think you're going to want to hear that. Okay, so Tesla, we ran in a range today of $9.09 from high to low. So pretty decent volume. Not movement, pretty decent movement for Tesla. Like to see $7 to $10, and so we were on the higher end of that. Yesterday we had lower movement, under $7, so $6.74 or something like that for high to low, and I think she might tighten up a little bit on us tomorrow again, just for a day here. But anyway, so we had a high today of 264.86, and we had a low of 255.77, and we closed at 261.63. And Tesla closed in the green. Ooh. The index is closed up also, the Nasdaq and S&P 500. Tesla underperformed just slightly, which kind of surprised Grandpa, but not with Tesla. You never know what they'll do. It just got a mind of its own. Tesla is still very overbought. Not quite as much as it was yesterday, however, but still very, very overbought. Divergence. What do we got for divergence? Volume went up by 9 million shares today, but on higher prices. So that's considered actually a good thing for the stock. It stabilizes the stock, so to speak. And 79 million shares were bought and sold in Tesla today. Still low volume, even with high movement for Tesla. The average is 90.5, but we'll get some big days when this thing runs up to 277 and 285 area. You'll see some volume in this stock that'll blow your mind. It'll go up so fast, if you ain't got your long positions, you'll wish you had them. That's Grandpa's humble opinion. And then we have the dominant trend. I'm going to say that dominant trend and go through that last here, I think, because there's some real stuff I want to point out to you in the dominant trend. Oh, we have a golden cross in the 4-hour chart, by the way. We have a number of golden crosses currently in Tesla. Tesla performs very well to golden crosses. Okay, so upside Where do we got resistance? Well, we have resistance in that 265 area, 267, of course, area, 271. That's where we had our previous high, and 277 we have resistance, 282, the 285 area, 300 bucks and beyond. On the downside, for support, we got some support down there at 257. Grandma got shares down there at the 257 area, and always wish we would have got more. But maybe we'll get an opportunity tomorrow to get a few more. But 255 support, 248 if that 255 breaks, they'll have a battle, of course, at the 250. 244's got pretty strong support, 241, and followed by 231. Always expect the unexpected with Tesla, always. Okay, so where are we going to open? Where are we going to open tomorrow? Tomorrow. Do. Quit singing, Grandpa. On 10/1 Tuesday, I anticipate opening at 260.75, gapping down approximately $1 from the close of regular hours. And we've already come down a little bit towards that number. It's down a little bit already, so we're not going nowhere fast according to Grandpa's fair calculation of the opening. So I think we're going to gap down approximately $1 from the close, opening at 260.75, and I'm hoping to load up some more shares tomorrow. I hope we dip down in that 255, 257 area again tomorrow. I just don't know if she'll let us or not. Possible range for Tuesday, the 1st. Low end, I think we're going to bottom out at 251.75, and on the I think we're going to find support there that it's not gonna bust through, and 271.50 on the top side for Tuesday. I think we're going to run fairly tight. Maybe $7 range, $8. This is Grandpa's opinion, okay? Okay. By Thursday, I'm looking for Tesla to close above 273 by this coming Thursday. Close above 273. That means very likely could be bouncing off of 275 with a WICK, if not higher. And closing above 277 by 10.8 or 10.9 area, or both. Actually closing above 277. Let's see. Very likely, in Grandpa's humble opinion, to close above 285 by 10:10, which is Robo-Taxi Day. Robo-Taxi Day. Keep in mind also that on Wednesday, the delivery numbers are coming out on Wednesday at 9 a.m. pre-market, half hour before the regular market. But you can start trading. We can start trading good till cancel extended at 7 a.m. So be awake, be aware. On Wednesday, Grandpa will probably try to come in a little bit early so that because it's going to be volatile. I'm expecting the calm tomorrow, but Wednesday I think she's gonna get pretty wild. Let's see. Robotax Day. And then after that, on the 11th, I think we'll fall back slightly, maybe closing down $1. So I think we're going to start a war up in that 280, 285 area. Once we go through and close above 280 will act as support down below. She's going to be a war, and eventually it will snap, and we're going to have a war in that. I think we're going to end up having a war in the 280 to $300 range. Yeah, I think $300 is very likely in your future. So, okay. Oh, how did I'm gonna still do that dominant trend. I want to talk about golden crosses a little bit. We have a W, and we have a cup and handle. I want to show you, and they're pretty as can be, and they're playing out. So, Grandma's up about $100. She's holding. She's not selling. Grandpa's holding. I'm up about $220 and holding. Jeff snagged $178 today. I don't know if he's back in yet or waiting. I do know he's up $3,208 for the last 2-3 weeks. Treasonous Trucker is up over 18 in his one account. However, I know he's down in one of his accounts where he's still short unless he bailed on it. I think he better get out of that short, in Grandpa's opinion. DLA came today and traded with Grandpa and Jeff and everybody, and he snagged $400 today. He's got them twin little boys. He's going to change the name of his boys from Mac and Jesse to Model Y and Model S. I don't know if his wife will go along with that, but she might. There, he's a good husband, that DLA. I'll tell you what. Okay, so and I believe DLA got back in long, so I think he's up again. I haven't got no update if he got out or if he's holding or what he's doing. Grandpa and Grandma are holding because this thing is just massively bullish. She is just and it can go overbought in Tesla for a long time. Okay, so here's the 4-hour chart, and what I want to point out here, we got 12 hours worth of red candles today, but we never got a sell signal. It's a bear flag. We got a 12-hour bear flag in Tesla, followed by a green candle, of course. Because this is a buy signal, this is a bear flag, and you gotta know and understand your candles. And our guys did good today. Could we have done better? Sure. Could we have done worse? You know it. We all, I think we all made money for the most part today in our little group. Fun times. Let's see, what else I want to look at. I want to look at the dominant trend, which is up, by the way. You know that. We're going to look at this W here. In the daily chart, it is a buy signal. And here's your 271 up here at the top of this line. And that's our most current place that we're heading to. We're going to blow through that number. We're going to blow through that number in a quick hurry here. I don't know if we'll get it for sure tomorrow. Can't remember what even had written down. By Thursday, we're going to close above it. We're actually going to close above it, not just go up there and come back. I believe we're gonna close above it at that 273 area and just keep right on running. She'll go up so fast your eyes will water once she gets rocking and rolling. So we have the W, down, up, and how high will she go? In the daily chart, a W is a strong signal. It's a strong signal. And we have a cup and handle in the weekly. I will show you that. And we also have a buy signal in the weekly, which here's your cup and handle. First, I'll show you the cup. This, right where my mouse is going, right here, that's your cup. Here's your handle. And is it pretty? She is pretty. And this is also your buy signal in a cup and handle. Get on the bus. 285 up here where Grandpa's got his 284, 285 area where Grandpa's got his yellow line. That's where we're headed in the near future. Okay, so remember that. Okay, and so then we have the monthly, which is also a buy signal. And it is a buy signal. Oh boy, we're going up. And let's see. This is tomorrow we will have a new candle. And unless something completely crazy happens overnight and tomorrow morning, this candle will be green tomorrow, but it'll be a baby candle. It'll be a micro baby candle the first day of the month in this candle. But this candle will be completed, and the next candle will be a baby, but I think it's going to start out green. Oh, green. I like green. Hey, when we get up around 285 to 300, be careful. Just absolutely be careful. While we're at it, we're under a buy signal in the hourly. I believe we're under a buy signal in the 30. Yes, we are. And we're under a buy signal in, well, we're currently under a sell signal in the 15-minute. But we have to be because, why? Well, Grandpa said we were going to gap down a little bit. So it'd be fun to see if Grandpa's right. Oh, I wish it would just gap down and let Grandpa get some more shares. Grandpa wants some more shares. Oh, boy. Okay, so I think that just about wraps it up here, you guys and gals. And good. I'll be back at around 9:15 tomorrow morning. And but on Wednesday, I think I'm going to try to come in even, like 8:50 a.m. Eastern, something like that. Try to get in 5-10 minutes before Tesla does their announcements, because we're going to get some wild movement, I think, on Wednesday with the delivery numbers coming out. Should get pretty. Anytime you have good movement, you can make good money in stock, especially Tesla. Okay, so hey, thank you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Makes Grandpa happy. Makes Grandma. Well, oh, I found Grandma. I thought she went up to the gym. She was in the basement wrapping packages, but she had her phone shut off. But she did get her fill at 2:57, albeit she got a little bit later in the day. So we all got shares. We're all holding, and we're all happy so far. Hey, think about eternity once in a while. Grandpa does. See you tomorrow morning. and we will go live day trading with Grandpa. Bye-bye. Hey, Clutch. Good night, Pops. He goes, yeah, I like that Clutch. He's over there in LaGrange, Illinois, right outside of Chicago. He's a good man. Okay. Hope you're picking up some cash there, Clutch. Sooner or later. Okay, we'll see you later. The future looks bright in Tesla. That's all I can tell you about that. See you tomorrow.